people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so in today's video I am going to be showing you how to remove facial hair. Alright, so in this treatment you can also apply it on your hands if you want to get rid of any unwanted hair, or you can also apply it on your leg if you want your leg to be smooth without hair. So if you're new to my channel, you are so welcome, and please, if you do love this video, please don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new, and also turn on your notification bell beside the subscribe button. That way you will be notified every time, like every day, I upload a new video. Alright, so if you want to buy some of the ingredients that I use on my videos, the link will be at the comment section. It is pinned down there. Alright, so go to my website and you're going to see all those ingredients and you're going to purchase them. Also, if you want to ask me some personal beauty questions and curious questions, ask me all of that on my website. Alright, the link is also at the description, at my comment section. Please endeavor to check out my vlog channel. There are interesting videos there. I'm sure you're going to be loving that channel too. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into this video. The first ingredient, turmeric powder. Turmeric contains an anti-inflammatory property which helps to reduce redness from blemishes and calm the skin. The antibacterial property in turmeric can help combat skin inflammation, and it also helps to brighten up the skin, removing dead skin cells. It also helps to remove unwanted hair. For the turmeric powder, we're going to be needing half tablespoon of organic turmeric powder. The next ingredient, bicarbonate of soda, which is baking soda. Baking soda is great in exfoliating the skin. It also balances the pH level of the skin, leaving your skin youthful and smooth. It scrubs out excessive oil on the skin. It also helps to lighten up the skin because it contains a whitening agent that improves the skin texture, remove hairs and pigmentation. And also for the baking soda, half tablespoon will go a long way. The next ingredient, rice. And in this treatment we're going to be needing just the rice water. Rice water is full of ferulic acid and contains an antioxidant that helps maintain the skin pH level. It promotes cell growth, stimulates blood flow on the skin, and it also brightens up the skin, heal acne and cool redness on the skin. To get our rice water, I'm going to be using the rice powder, and I'm going to be measuring 1 tablespoon of rice powder. I'm going to be pouring in some amount of water into the rice powder, and I'm going to be stirring this to get my rice water. Now you have to stir till you have no particles or whatsoever. Now you can decide to put the rice water with the particles, everything into the treatment, or you can decide to sieve yours. So mine, I'm going to be pouring it in because I also need the rice particles. I'm going to be measuring in 1 teaspoon of rice water into the treatment. The next ingredient, tomato. Tomato juice works as an excellent astringent to the skin. Tomato juice helps to lighten up the skin. It shrinks pores, fights premature aging, clear up wrinkles and fine lines. It's perfect in removing unwanted hair. Since it contains vitamin C, it is known to lighten up and brighten up the skin. So for the tomato, I'm going to be cutting the tomato into 2 pieces, and I will just press in the juice of the tomato into the treatment. So I'm going to be pressing it this way so I can get much of the juice. Alright, so after doing that, now I'll have to press in just the juice in the treatment you're gonna be having some particles. It doesn't really matter, it is fine. Alright, I'm gonna be mixing all the ingredients together, and this is gonna give me a very thick consistency, and that would be perfect. Our facial hair removal treatment is ready. To apply the facial hair treatment, I'm gonna be demonstrating it by using my hands. Now you have to apply this treatment on the direction that you have hair coming out. Alright, this way. Apply it generously onto your facial hair. If you have hair on your jaw, or if you want to remove hair on your body, just like I'm doing here, you can apply this. Alright, make sure that the treatment is on those particular place you want to get rid of hair. Alright, because the treatment is very affordable, so make sure it is generously applied. Now after doing this, you're gonna be leaving this treatment to completely dry on your face or on your body, whichever place you have applied the treatment to remove hair. You're going to leave it to completely dry. So I'm going to be leaving mine to be a little dry, since I'm just making an illustration here. Now after the treatment is dry, you can gently massage it in a circular form, just like I'm doing here. The particles of the treatment is going to be dropping, and you're still going to be doing this. Now you can do this for about 30 seconds, which is like half a minute. So after that, you can wash this off with lukewarm water, and this would help in removing your facial hair, your pubic hair, or the hairs on your body. This is really very effective, and you can repeat this treatment on your skin once in a week. So basically that's just a very simple way and very stressless, painless and easy way to remove unwanted facial hair, pubic hair, or body hair, whichever hair you want to get rid of. This treatment works like really good, so go try it out and let me know how it is. Alright, so if you do find this video interesting yet helpful, please don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on the notification bell beside the subscribe button. That way you won't miss any of my videos. So if you have any questions you want to ask me, please endeavor to ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be at my comment section, the same link you're going to be buying the ingredients that I use for my beauty videos. Alright, so go there and click on the link, and you're going to be seeing all of the ingredients there. Alright, so also endeavor to check out my vlog channel. There are interesting videos there. I'm sure you're going to be loving that channel too. Alright guys, so I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay beautiful, flawless, and bye guys.